Welcome to Chitrayan Art Academy. Today I am going to show you how to draw and paint a lotus on oil pastel easily. If you are following this tutorial, watch this video till end. You can follow my drawing step by step. Before that, I want to introduce my art materials. I use here 4B pencil for drawing and oil pastel for color. Let's start. At first I draw drops of water, the basic shape of lotus. Then I draw another petals. Having finished the sketch, then I am going to finalize the drawing of lotus with a single line. At first I erase all lines. After finalize the drawing, I apply the colors accordingly. At first I apply the pink, then I use white, rose pink at the top, primary red, I use primary red for shading. I use flesh tint. Then I use white, rose pink, then pink, then white, then little bit touch of light green, rose pink, then pink, then I use white, then little bit touch of light green, then I use white, then pink, I use primary red for shading, light green for leaf, yellow ochre for mixing, deep green, Prussian blue for deep part, yellow ochre, flesh tint, brown, deep green, light green, deep green, dark violet, deep green, lemon yellow, sap green, white, deep green, dark brown, I think I finished my work. My only advice to you, practice every day because practice makes a man perfect. Hope you like this video. If yes, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.